guys, so it is time for Q&As, and at the end of this I'm going to be announcing the winner from yesterday's giveaway. So you still have some time to enter, as long as the story is still up, so it might disappear very soon. And as a reminder, we have our disclaimer under our highlights reel. Basically this is for informational purposes only. If you have any serious health concerns, please contact your provider. Here we go. You hit the nail on the head with pumping every 3 hours. Supply and demand is key at this point. Also increasing your levels of oxytocin, so that feel-good hormone. Watching videos of your baby is going to help increase your milk supply also. It's something that makes you feel good also, so it's one of those ways you can increase oxytocin levels. Also increasing galactagogues, so brewer's yeast, lactation cookies, oatmeal, and other supplements that are safe for NICU babies. Okay, so this can definitely be difficult since you can't really tell how much your baby is currently eating, but I did find this website on Very Well Family that you can do a calculation to kind of figure out how many ounces your baby should be drinking while at daycare. So I'll link that here. Some moms start lactating as soon as 16 weeks, and you can definitely freeze it to use later. There are some circumstances though where it's not recommended to pump this early. So I would check with your provider ahead of time to make sure it will be safe for you at this time. So there is a list, so if you see a lactation consultant or your provider, like I was kind of saying, they'll be able to tell you if it will be safe for you at this time. There are a lot of different reasons why a 7-month-old might have a harder time taking a bottle right now. One of the biggest reasons though is distractions. So if you're finding that they are just easily distracted, it's best to pull them into a separate room, get rid of distractions. So I would try that first, just bringing them into another room and getting rid of distractions, since that is one of the key reasons babies refuse bottles, because they're super distracted. But other reasons is that maybe the milk flow in the bottle is either too fast or too slow and they're just not a fan of it, or since they were exclusively breastfeeding for so long, they could just prefer to nurse. So it might be something, if you want them to take the bottle, it might be something that will take a little bit more time. And if that's the case, I would also try to consult with a lactation consultant, and they might have some more tips for your particular situation.
If you're not following us yet, be sure to follow us at Mommy Knows Best on Instagram. And remember, if you're watching this and doubting yourself, you are a great mom. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next week.